Hello guys, welcome to the tech tutorial HTML. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a basic style table. So we're going to start with the table tag, and we have 4 elements in creating a table, which is the table tag, the TH tag, the TH tag, and the TD tag. These 4 elements are what we use to create a table: the table tag, the TH tag, the TH tag, and the TD tag. So we're going to start with the table tag, which is the table, and inside this table we write the table border. This equals to sign and these 2 quotes. This equals to sign and these 2 quotes. This quote is telling us to insert the number on how the thickness of the border will be. So I'm just gonna insert 10. After that, we have what we call the TR tag, which is the table row tag. So it also has a close tag. Which after that we have what we call the TH tag, which is the table data. This is what will be at the start of the table. So with TH tag, then we write. I'm just going to write some accessories, some electronic accessories, or some phones. I'll start with the iPhone. After that, we'll create another table TH again. Then we'll create the Samsung. After that, another TH tag. We'll create the iTel. Okay. After that, we can just create the Infinix. Okay, that's that. Then we'll close. We'll still begin another table row again, which will start another table row. This one we're not going to be using TH, but we're going to be using the TD. The TD. Okay. Let me say iPhone. Let me say 95%. Okay. TD. Samsung will be 100%. I love Samsungs. Okay, 100%. That's 100%. Okay, 100%. And after that will be another one, which is the iTel. We say 60%. And after that, the Infinix, which will insert as let me say 70%. Okay. Now after this, let's that any code you're writing, all lines of code in the code editor must contain a code. So B1, never keep a tag, a line of code without any code. So I remove that. If your eyes are sharp, you can see that these lines, this indent line, these lines are connecting each other. If this line are not stored, means your code are not arranged. Now you can see the HTML tag is open, is closed, it connects. The head is open, is closed, it connects with this line. The body is connect, the table connect, the TL connect, the TL connect. So after that, we'll just save up. We'll open this with Google Chrome. You can see the simple style table. You can just see the table. The table is just simple style. Wow, because I didn't add much style. It's just a simple style. But when you get to that, we'll teach you how to add a style to the table. So we'll go to our webpage. You can see this. Just look at this. You can see that this iPhone came here, the Samsung came here, the iTel came here, the Infinix came here. Then after that, the TD, which you saw, the 95%, the 100%, the 60%, and the 70%, which you saw that. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you have learned how to start a table, just a basic style table. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.